What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my 13th dividend payment from Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. This is my 13th payment, and it happens to be a full year later from the very first time I got a dividend payment with Prospect Capital. So we'll kind of look and see how my dividend payment has increased over time. That's what we're talking about in this particular video. But if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I share with you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I've been doing this investing thing for a little bit. Basically, May 2020 is kind of when I started to reinvest in the stock market after being smacked around in 2016, and I decided to sell everything in 2017 because I did not know what the heck I was doing. So I've been investing, like I said, since May of 2020, and currently at the making of this video, it's April 1st, okay? Just to give you guys some context. So what I'm gonna do real quickly is share with you currently where my portfolio is. This is as of today, so what you're seeing on the screen, my portfolio is currently valued at $299,350. And this is live, so the market's currently open. Of course, it just went from 350 to 392, 299, 412 bucks. It's going to fluctuate, as you guys can see. Overall, I'm down today in the market, $2,800 and something dollars. Okay, in this particular portfolio, Tesla and Apple are the biggest players. They have the biggest chunk of my portfolio. Apple is over 40% and Tesla's like 29, 30 something percent. So those are the biggest two players in my particular portfolio. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my most recent dividend payment with Prospect Capital. So I already have that pulled up here. And as you guys can see on the screen, right now, as of the making of this video, Prospect Capital is trading for $8.38. And my average cost per share is $7.24, for which I'm very grateful. My overall return since I started investing with Prospect Capital is I'm up $1,738, which is 15%. Just to give you guys some perspective, I want to share with you when I bought my first shares with Prospect Capital. Okay, so I'm going to click on show more information here, and then I'm going to click on orders. And of course, a lot of these orders here are going to be dividend payments. So this is just all of these here from this $91 all the way down is just dividend payments being reinvested. I have only bought shares with Prospect Capital once. So as you can see here, I bought shares here February 11th, 2021. And then I got my first dividend payment March 21st, 2021. So I invested $10,000 with Prospect Capital. That is it. Every single one of these payments here that you see after the $10,000 are dividend payments. Okay, so these are all dividend payments. And if I go back, just to kind of give you guys some perspective, I invested the $10,000 in Prospect Capital, and right now my portfolio is currently valued at $12,880 something bucks. Okay, so just to kind of give you guys some perspective, but this is my 13th dividend payment. And of course, I'm super excited about that. I will show you guys my most recent dividend payment here with Prospect Capital. They even already have a dividend payment pending for April. And once again, at the making of this video, it's April the 1st. So you guys can see the date here at the bottom of the computer. This is April the 1st on my calendar here on the Mac. So my most recent dividend payment, March 22nd for $91.61. At that particular time, well, that's the reinvestment. At that particular time, I had 1,526 shares, and Prospect Capital is paying 6 cents per share. That's how I got a total of $91.61. So because I have Robinhood dividend reinvestment plan turned on, which it means DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, because I have that turned on Robinhood, it automatically turns around and reinvests my dividend payments. And on the 22nd of March, you can see here that Robinhood went ahead and spent my $91.61, and they were able to grab some more shares, 11.09 shares, and at the time it was $8.26, which is a little cheaper than today, because today they're trading for $8.38, as you guys can see here, and they grabbed shares for $8.26. Now, in the last year, once again, I have not purchased any more. Like I didn't invest any more money other than that $10,000 that one time. So right here, you can see my very first. I'll show you guys. Here's my $10,000 one time. Okay, literally one time. Basically, they were able to grab about 10 shares every single time with my dividend payments. Okay, so I have 10 shares. Here that they were able to grab, another 10 here that they were able to grab, another 10 here, 9.8 there, another 10 there, another 10 there, another 10 here, another 10 here, 9.96 in November, another 10 in December, another 10 in January, and another 10 in February. And then, of course, most recently in March, they were able to grab 11 shares. Okay, so just to kind of give you guys some perspective here, if I show you the most recent payment, which was $91.61 in regards to my dividends, $91.61 here on March 22, 2022. My very first dividend payment was $84.04. Okay, so $84.04, and a year later, I'm at $91.64. Okay, so we can do the math on that real quick. $84.04, I think it is. Let's verify at the bottom, 84 and 4. And then today, 91.61. So that is a dividend over time. I basically have gotten $7.57 more in regards to dividend payments by doing absolutely nothing, just letting Robinhood reinvest the dividend payment. And it's very powerful to do that. $7.57 doesn't sound like a lot right now, but this is just 1 year. If we multiply this 1 year by 20 years, the dividend payment is going to be even more substantial. And so that's kind of exciting. I'm excited to be in a position to share with you guys my journey and kind of show with you guys what's possible. I mean, that's just that one company in regards to dividend payment. Of course, I do have other companies that I'm invested in, and I get dividend payments from them as well. The majority of my portfolio is pretty much, growth stocks. Like Apple does pay dividends. Tesla does not, but Apple and Tesla absolutely drives my portfolio. Of course, I have some ETFs as well. I started to do a little diversification in there, but some of those ETFs has Apple and Tesla in it. So it just made Apple and Tesla even a bigger percentage of my portfolio because I have the single stock with Apple. And then, of course, Apple is in the ETF as well. So it's quite interesting. Right now, as you guys can see on the screen, my portfolio is valued at $298,000. Of course, this is different since the beginning of the video because this is live right now. I have been kind of dabbling a little bit with margin investing, so I will be having some videos talking a little bit more about margin investing, not because I'm a guru, but because I'm curious, and it's very interesting how you can make more money by having access to more money through margin investing. So I'm trying to be careful and trying to tread lightly, and I'm going to document that and kind of keep you guys posted as to what my particular journey is. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.